a one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Skadoo-be-doo-bop, bop, ba-da-ba-da-boo, ba-da-ba. Skadoo-be-doo-bop, bop. Sing it, Mark. Skadoo-be-doo-bop, bop, ba-da-ba-da-boo, boo, ba-da, boo. Yeah! Hi, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We are going to be rock stars today with a little pigeon named Perky. We are going to fly high with her and watch as she discovers her love and new passion for music. This is a story about perseverance, friendship, and teamwork. Are you ready? The book that we're reading today is called Perky the Pigeon, written by Jester Arrow, a real rock star, illustrated by Terry Cooper. If you have this book, now is the perfect time to go ahead and grab it so you can read along with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're loving these videos. Ready? Let's read, rock stars! Perky the pigeon loved to sing. Every morning, she would start her day by cooing one of her favorite songs. The other pigeons in the flock would often complain. "Ugh, Perky, not so early, please." But Perky couldn't help it. She dreamt that one day she would be the lead singer of a band. Perky had been mesmerized by music from a very young age. She was fascinated by the instruments that human beings played and would often coo her own melodies over the top of tracks that escaped from the walls of a local recording studio. Unfortunately for Perky, many of her attempts to join in with this music went pear-shaped. She tried everything to participate, but she always ended up getting chased away. Hey! Hey! Oh, you get out of here! Oh, get out of here! You get right away, you! One time, she tried to sing along with the choir at a Christmas Carol concert. The choir seemed to enjoy her company until she needed a quick toilet break. Oh my goodness, where do you see the white pigeon poop? That's right, it fell right onto the choir singer's hat. Another time, she put in an excellent performance with a band of buskers, only to be shooed away when it came to splitting their earnings. Hey! Hey! Oh, out here! And she could never forget the time she flew into the recording studio after perfecting a melody of her own, only to be chased away by a drumstick-wielding hooligan. They didn't even give her the chance to sing. She was certain she had written a #1 hit, but no one would give her a chance. Some of the other pigeons told Perky she was a dreamer, that she should give up her pursuit of music and focus on something more achievable. "You've given it a shot, Perky, but us pigeons just aren't cut out for the rock star lifestyle. You should settle down in a nice nest and enjoy the seeds and crusts humans throw for us." Perky was contemplating giving up, but her best friend Speckle convinced her otherwise. Spurred on by Speckle's words, Perky decided to keep singing. She woke up extra early the next morning and fluttered about town to see if any of the other early risers were musicians like her. She hadn't been flying for long when she noticed a teenage girl strumming on an acoustic guitar just outside of her front door. As the girl played, Perky perched beside her and began to coo. The girl continued for a short while before stopping and turning to Perky. "That sounded brilliant," she said. "I wish we could start a band together," she added jokingly. "I'd love that," said Perky, much to the girl's surprise. "Play a quicker number. I've got just the thing for it." new friend rocked out for the next hour. "What's your name?" asked the girl. "I'm Perky the pigeon. What about you?" "Well, I'm Haley the human. Lovely to meet you." Perky and Haley excitedly agreed to meet later to do a live performance in the main square of town. It was a sunny afternoon, and Perky and Haley met at 2 o'clock by the fountain. Haley set up her guitar, and Perky ruffled her feathers and cooed a few warm-up notes. "You ready?" asked Haley. "Hit it!" Perky wailed, and they launched into their first track. As the songs went on, a bigger and bigger crowd formed, full of pigeons and humans dancing in unison. Speckle danced with glee in the background. "I knew she could do it. Never give up," he whispered to himself. And they didn't give up. Perky and Haley recruited a bassist, a keyboard player, and a drummer to make the full ensemble, Perky and the People. And they are currently on tour of all the towns in the country. If you are lucky enough to see a talented bunch of musicians with a pigeon leading the warbling, be sure to drop a pound in the hat. The end. That story was amazing. Do you know what time it is now? You're right! Time to get your thinking caps. Where Mars, do you have my thinking cap? Okay, yeah, hold on 1 minute, sorry. Whoa! I found it. Do you have yours? Go ahead and put it on. Wow, that was an amazing story. I loved seeing Perky's love for music just light up when she met Haley. And I love that they started a band together. Do you remember what the band is called? Perky and the People. You're right again. Here's my next question. Have you ever heard of a jam session? A jam session is when musicians get together and they jam out. Whatever musical instrument they play, they would bring it along to make music. Even if you don't play an instrument, you can use your voice, drum with your hands, or just dance around. Do you want to have a jam session together? Me too! All right, a big rock star move is called the headbanger. Whoa! My thinking cap fell off. Can you bang your head? Me too! Let's rock out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! I'm a rock star, I'm a rock star. I wanna be a pigeon and be a rock star. Yeah, Perky and the People. Woo! Yeah, faster, 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 faster! Bang that head, woo, woo, woo! And you can shake your hair out if you have hair. If you don't have hair, you can still shake your head. Woo! I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star like Perky the pigeon. Woo-hoo! That was so fun. Thank you. Okay, rock stars, do you know what time it is? Kiwis Corner. Hey, Kiwi! What did you think about this story? Perky the pigeon. Oh, you know what? I don't think chasing a pigeon is a very friendly thing to do. But next time you see one, make sure to give them a big smile and say hi in a nice voice. Thanks, Kiwi! And thank you to all of my friends for joining me on another adventure. I am having the time of my life with you rock stars, and I can't wait until next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're loving these videos as much as I'm loving making them. But until next time, hold your head high, stay strong, and be confident because you are amazing.